In the learning phase, students begin learning engineering operations by managing engineering for a 75-room hotel. Students learn how to manage maintenance staff schedules to fix plumbing and HVAC issues. Equipment failures in rooms take the room out of service, resulting in lost revenue. Through the simulation, students will learn the value of preventative maintenance instead of just repairing broken items. In the challenge phase, students work as a consultant to the engineering maintenance department at the Harriman Brown Hotel. Their goal is to increase customer satisfaction by improving maintenance while staying within a budget. With the engineering management concepts that they practiced in the learning phase, students will need to balance repairing broken maintenance issues and implementing preventative maintenance for the hotel, all within a specified budget. For professors using the full curriculum with written content chapters, the optional concept overview and quiz covers engineering's purpose and overview, activity behind the scenes, types of maintenance, avoiding out-of-order rooms, energy management and safety systems, capital expenditure budget preparation, and maintenance leadership. Hotels, large and small, require maintenance to keep rooms in excellent shape for new guests. With this sim, students learn the many factors that go into smoothly managing maintenance and engineering at a hotel.